Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mega Man Adventures. First, each player selects one of 4 unique Mega Man characters, each with a special ability. Then, set up the game board, placing the boss and stage decks in their designated spots. Every player begins with a hand of 5 energy cards and 4 health tokens. This initial setup prepares you for the exciting challenges ahead. The game unfolds over several rounds, with players taking turns. On your turn, you will draw 2 cards and move your Mega Man character up to 3 spaces. Combat involves playing energy cards to match enemy weaknesses, aiming to reduce their health to 0. Successfully defeating a robot master rewards you with their unique special weapon, adding powerful new options to your arsenal. You also collect bolts to enhance your character. Combat is a key element, where you strategically play energy cards to exploit enemy weaknesses. When facing a formidable robot master, deploying the special weapons you have acquired is crucial for victory. Players can also offer assistance to one another during difficult battles, combining their efforts. If your Mega Man loses all 4 health tokens, you are temporarily defeated but can rejoin the fight after a brief recovery period. To achieve victory in Mega Man Adventures, your team must first defeat all 8 challenging robot masters. Once these formidable foes are vanquished, the ultimate showdown against the nefarious Dr. Wily begins. The player who delivers the final, decisive blow to Dr. Wily claims the ultimate victory. Remember, while one player might land the finishing hit, successful teamwork throughout the game is absolutely essential to overcome all obstacles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.